guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, yes, it's that day where I am sharing with you my Makeup Revolution haul, but this is not just any haul. This is the Disney Princess and Revolution collaboration, and I've managed to get my hands on the whole collection. I'm literally still in my work clothes. That's why I've just rushed home, grabbed the box and come on to record. So what I'm going to do today is quickly go through all three of the princess collections, and then from tomorrow for the next 3 days I'll be creating looks using the products. So without further ado, let's get into the video because I've literally got like 20 minutes and then I've got to take Penny to dance. So this is how crazy it is in this life at the minute. So go and get a cuppa, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay then, here is the goodies. I mean, here are the goodies, shall I say. Just check that out. I cannot wait to share with you. Okay then, so first up we have the Beauty and the Beast collection, and oh my gosh, I just can't wait to like open everything. Oops, sorry mirror. Anyway, so this is the I Heart Revolution collab with the Disney Princess, and oh my god, what a collection. I think this sold out within seconds, but I don't know if it was meant to happen, or they just accidentally emailed me saying that they had stock in like literally 10 minutes after everything sold out, and I quickly went back on the website and I managed to get my hands on the rest of what I didn't have. So that's why it's come in 2 different boxes, because it sold out. So I've managed to get all of the Princess and the Frog except the lip topper, and then I had this Cinderella palette and the Cinderella lashes, but I didn't have any of the highlights or the Beauty and the Beast collection or any of the toppers. So that was a bit of a mouthful, wasn't it? So yeah, so that's why. But then when I received an email, I went in and everything was still available. So I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So I just quickly grabbed whatever I could. And I used Klarna, by the way, because I wasn't getting paid till Friday. So I used Klarna to pay for it. And then when I got paid, I paid it back again. So I haven't like got myself like... Anyway, going back, so this is the Beauty and the Beast palette. I love the fact, like a little book, it's absolutely beautiful. So here, wow. So here we've got highlighters and blushers. So here is the face palette, okay? So we've got the gorgeous eyeshadows here. Just look how beautiful they are. I absolutely love how they've done these books, because I did it with the Nightmare Before Christmas as well. So they're like storybooks and they're really, really cute. Such a good idea. And yeah, so we've got blushers and highlights. Oh wow, just look at that. How beautiful are those? So we've got blusher. So there are the blushers. Don't know if you can see them. Okay, and then we've got highlights. Just wow. Okay, I'm not gonna ruin it. I'll do a full review on the colours tomorrow. I'm not sure which one I'll go first. Which one do you want to see first? Beauty and the Beast, Cinderella, or just how stunning are these? I love how they've got this detail. It looks like it's all like swirled up. It's really cute, really nice. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, and then these are the eyeshadows. That blue just looks amazing. Wow. Okay, and then we've got, I just love the names. We've got Little Town, we've got Chip, we've got Beauty. So we've got some shimmers, we've got some mattes. Oh my god, they're beautiful. Right, I don't know what look I'm going to go for, so just have to bear with me. We're going to create something anyway. So that is what the Beauty and the Beast palette looks like. Gorgeous. Okay, and then with that it comes with a highlighter as well, and you all know what I'm like with highlighter. We love highlighter on this channel, don't we guys? Bronzer, highlighter, you name it, we are loving it. Okay, so that is the highlighter for Beauty and the Beast. That is beautiful. It's in the shape of a heart as well. Oh wow, that is stunning. Look at that. Can you see that there? Nice natural glow there. So that is the Beauty and the Beast one. Then you've got the eyelashes. So these are the lashes. So I'm literally going to create a whole look using the whole collection. And then we've got here the lip topper as well. I think this is gold. And there you have the lip topper. Oh my god, that's stunning. Look at that. Beautiful. Loving the packaging. Okay, so that is the lip topper there. Nice gorgeous gold. Okay, and then next up we've got the Princess and the Frog. So I had this on Friday. I had this last week. So we've got the Princess and the Frog. Look at that. Oh wow, they're beautiful. And the highlighters are also different, and the bronzers are also different for each palette as well, because they match the colours. So we've got the nice bright colours here. Oh my god, they're absolutely gorgeous. Wow, look at that frog, that, and the purple. What am I going to create with this? I don't know, but they are absolutely stunning. I'm surprised Penny's not here like going mad. So you got your mattes, you got your shimmers, you got your, that's what they are, mattes and shimmers, yeah, really nice. And then we've got the 3 highlighters and 3 blushes there as well. And then this is what these eyelashes look like. How beautiful are those? They are absolutely gorgeous, really nice and full. I can't wait to try these. I think these are my favorite lashes out of the three. Okay, and then we have the highlighter, so it's a bit slightly darker. That's gorgeous as well. That's that highlight. And then we have the lip topper to this one, so that's that colour there. Stunning. And I just love how they all match, everything matches, so that's gorgeous. And the topper, to be fair, the topper from the Beauty and the Beast goes with the Princess and the Frog's highlight, which is really cute. And then last but not least, we have Cinderella. Oh my god, just love it. Okay, here is Cinderella. You've got your gorgeous blues and your, oh wow, and the highlights look gorgeous as well. So there are the shades. So we've got Ball Gown, oh wow, Gus. So there's the blues there, that look really nice, that blue there. So we've got satins, shimmers, a bit of metallic there as well. Oh my god, these are gorgeous. Look at that, wow, stunning. And then you've got the highlight and blusher there. Just look at those highlights. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, and then we've got the highlighter. So if you wanted to, you could just get the face palette, and it's got highlights and blush and everything that you need in there. And then we've got this highlighter as well. Wow. And then you've got that highlighter there. Feels a little bit chalky, this one does. More, we'll have to give that a try. It does feel a bit chalky to be a highlighter, but we'll give it a try anyway and see what we come out with. That's just before midnight. I wonder if it's in here. Okay, so they are different, which is okay. Okay, and then we've got the eyelashes here, which are very nice and simple, not so full, so I can't wait to give them a try as well. And then we've got the lip topper for this one as well, which is a gorgeous clear white. That's a nice white shade there as well, so it's more or less clear, isn't it, with a bit of a sheen to it there. Can you see? Okay, so that is the I Heart Revolution and Disney Princess collaboration. But I've realised, because I wasn't in that much excitement and obviously rushing to order before it sold out again, I accidentally ordered an extra pair of the Beauty and the Beast lashes. So what should I do with these, hey? What should I do with these? Who wants to get their hands on these little babies? I know what to do. Let's see. Well, let me think about it. What could I do? Should I just give them to one lucky winner? Just send them out to you? I'll tell you what, then I want you to leave a comment down below and tell me what you love about my channel and why you are here. And the best answer will get the lashes. So, and also don't forget to share my channel. So what you need to do is leave a comment down below telling me why you are subscribed to this channel, share the channel, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And then I will pick a lucky winner to win these gorgeous lashes on Friday. So I will go through the comments of this video, so make sure that you leave a comment on this one so that I can go through all the comments and then pick out a winner. And then yeah, I will send you over these lashes. And I'm really sorry, I've got a bit of eyeshadow on it, but anyway, that's fine. It will be all hand sanitized and shipped out to you anyway, so you guys don't worry about that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm just thinking, I won't announce the winner on Friday because obviously we're going into lockdown and I want to send this out before lockdown. So you have got 24 hours to let me know down below what it is that you love about my channel, and then I will pick out a winner. So in fact, I will just send it out on Wednesday. How about that? I will send it out Wednesday, so you've got tonight and tomorrow to leave a comment down below. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you come back tomorrow to see the first look. I don't know which look I'm going to go for first. Shall we go for Cinderella? Let's do Cinderella first, and then we will go Princess and the Frog and then Beauty and the Beast last. So if you want to check out those videos, then don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. That's what I was looking for. Anyway, it's been a long day and I've literally got 5 minutes to get Penny to dance. So once again, thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you all tomorrow on another, I was going to say another day of Vlogtober. I've actually missed that. We'll see you on another day of Beauty and the Kids. Bye!